Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin until 2:30 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lodi, or near Lake Wisconsin, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Columbus, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Flint, Fall River, Ryle, Arlington, Otsego, Merrimack, Doylestown, Harmony Grove, and Aki. This includes the following locations: Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather